So this ball is going to roll down the spiral. It's going to hit this square out, which will roll down the wheel and axle. And then this will close the scissors, which will cut the string and connect to the ball. The ball will roll and hit the blocks, and this weight will fall over, and it'll pull this piece of cardboard up, which will hit these dominoes, and it'll pull this puck off the platform, which will pull this wedge off the ramp, and the car will roll down, hit this car. This car will fall off the table, and it'll pull this block up this ramp and this off this lever, and then this ball will roll and hit this puck, and it'll swing the food onto the plate.
Oh, okay, it's coming off the table. Are you sure you don't have anything else?
We did encounter some problems during the project. The simple machines at the beginning of the Rube Goldberg did not work as easily as we imagined. The lever and wheel and axle had to be replaced with a tube and mini toy cars, but they were still the same simple machines. The scissors lever did not work at all as well. Only the first part of the Rube Goldberg had issues. We were able to overcome the problems that we had.
We replaced the first lever and made it trigger the ball on the ramp because the scissors would not work. That was really the only problem we faced because the rest worked out.
Not all of our simple machines worked. 9 out of 11 of these simple machines worked. They accomplished their tasks in triggering the next part and was mostly easy to set up. Just the 2 at the beginning were too complicated and hard to make successful. We would do a few things differently next time we did this project.
We would design some of the simple machines differently to simplify them, like the scissors. For example, we should have planned setting up a better way so it would stay stable.
The first inclined plane with the ball held up was a point of potential energy. The ball had potential energy to roll down the plane due to the configuration of parts holding it up. This is a gravitational potential energy. The third ramp with the block at the bottom has the potential energy to go up at the plane because of the parts of the system. The weight on the other side of the pulley creates this potential energy. The dominoes are points of kinetic energy because when each one gets hit, the acceleration gained when it falls is the kinetic energy and does not stop until hitting the next one and resting on the ground. Another point of kinetic energy is the ball rolling down the spiral track, which is a screw type of simple machine. The acceleration of the ball increases as it goes down, therefore also increasing its kinetic energy. The simple machines at the beginning of the Rube Goldberg did not work as easily as we imagined. The lever and wheel and axle had to be replaced with a tube and mini toy cars, but they were still the same simple machines. The scissors lever did not work at all as well. Only the first part of the Rube Goldberg had issues.